Hey my friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial. In this video simply I'm going to show you again how can you make your simple chat app using Microsoft Word. Now I remember making the same video for you guys when I happened to use one known as Excel, but today I'm going to do the same stuff using Microsoft Word. So this is it. I'm just going to start straightforward and I see how can we make up a program. Now just open up your Word very fast. So if you are new to this video, make sure that you just subscribe to my channel so that you can always be on the same base, my friends. So open up your Word just like that and go to the developer tool. If this is your first time, I request you guys to watch my videos for Microsoft Word and see how to make this developer tool be there. If you just click there and go to Visual Basic. Now inside Visual Basics, we are just going to add some few codes. Go to insert user form. So this is how it's going to be, just something very similar to that. We can change the background if you want. So without wasting time, just going to go straight and add the few codes. So I'm just going to go and add one as a frame. So this frame is going to be handling our first user. So I'm just going to say I'm going to click on it and change the background if possible, or just change it to something different. Have blue background, if maybe blue, and then the text there you're going to increase the font size to something different, and also our text to something bit different. Just wait a moment. Okay, that's it. Try to increase something to that, and increase and change on that color of the font to be something like that, so that when try to cross check to run, should get something like that. That's great. Then for our second user, we should also get something similar to this. Also just try to pick something like that. Wow, that's great. So I can also change this for color, background color of it, kind of green, to be real green. So I have all the stuff similar to that. So that's it, my friends. When you happen to click, you should get some two kind of stuff like that. So without wasting time, just try to put some few stuffs there very fast so that we can always check our stuff. So click here, do the same thing, increase the font size to whatever you would wish. Mine is that. You can also change that color, kind of that. That's great. So I'm just going to change the text which is there. I'm just going to move that one, and I'm going to say maybe this is going to be someone else. Maybe I can say maybe Charles, and then this one is going to be OSP. That's what we have. So this have the first user and this is the second user. This is OSP and this is Charles. Now come back in here. I'm going to just add some few stuffs. One, we're going to add a text box whereby Charles OSP will be typing in the codings, or will be entering up his words. At the same time as he enters, he expect a response from Charles. You get? That's what I'm going to simply say at the moment without wasting time. Wow, that's great. So you can always click in there and also hold the control as you click here. Just come back in, select all of them, and just go and change the font size to what you want. That's a great size. And then I would like the color for this one here not to be white. Just click on it. Wow, that's great. So just come and click on this one here. I happen to add some kind of a button. Just come and click here and add one as this is going to be a button for send. That's going to be our send button, and we're also going to add one as the clear button there. Just go back a little bit. This is just going to be the clear button. And just copy these two very fast so that you just happen to paste them this side up here. So that's great. So far, if you try to check, my friend, our interface is so far is done. So you have those two buttons, and just have these two buttons here. Now we also need to have one as the reset button. The clear button is already there, and then here, if you try to cross check so far, you're going to have some few stuffs. One thing that you're going to be having, just check that. That's great. Just try to pick this. Okay. Now come back here, just try to click that and try to change that for color. Something else you do like, maybe kinda that, and then this one here, I'm going to change that color to kinda, wow, just pick something different. Kinda. Have no choice, just pick that. So let's just double click here. This is send, so we also need to get an exit button. So just put one exit button here down, which will exit our program. So you can always call it exit. That's going to be our exit button, so you can also click there and change that for color. That color to be that, then the text to be kind of white. So double click on it and just say that me dot hide. So far done. So that's it. So if you click back in here and just click here, should you get something exiting like that. You get that's so far done. So let's just double click here again. Now this is going to be text box 2, and this one is going to be text box 1, as you can see. So what I'm going to do at the moment, just double click here. This is send. So just this is text box 2, and that's send. So what I'm going to do, just double click here and say that text box 1 dot text is equal to having text box 2 dot text. So what does this statement simply mean in the simple term? If you try to cross check, if I type some text here and I click here, if I type some text here and I click here, should you get here up? So to make all the confusion to not be there in the program, what should you just do? Double click here. Instead of calling this to be text box 1, give it to be text box 2, and then this is our text box 1. This is our text box 1. So just going to copy that code also, because we are going to utilize somewhere else. Copy that, and that's it. So if you come back here again, click here, when you say maybe hey, I think you can see here, and we also would like this one to take it back the other side. So to do such kind of stuff, come back in here in your codes. Just make sure you see this one is also called text box 2. So just double click here on this send and add the following piece of code. That's it. Now this one, instead of calling it 1, 2, call it 1, and this one, instead of calling it 1, call 2, and vice versa. So this is it. So if I say hey Charles, spelling, If I click here, Charles, can also say Charles. That's it. So if I come back on down here, say maybe OSP. So if I click here, you can get the response. But now the clear button is not working. So let's work on that very fast. So just double click here. But remember, before even going there, just come back again. This one here is a clear button for text box 1. So just double click here and say text box. Sorry, I said text box 1 dot text will be equaling to nothing by the time I do so. So just copy this piece of code. Just copy that piece of code. So this is it. So if I say here, you can clear. And let's say maybe click here. You can see the text not there. If I say maybe how are you, you can simply see if I click here, it goes there, and when I click here, you can always remove. So but this one's not working. So one thing you just have to do, just double click here also, add the same piece of code, whereby now this one's going to be text box 2. So members, that's it. So if you cross check and say maybe here, if I click here, it will come back here. So maybe here, if I just click here, can you see it's gone, and it alone. How are you maybe doing? That's it. Can get here. You can also click here and say maybe here, I'm fine. Yeah, that's me say thank you for watching OSP Pro videos. Get so if I click here, see, you can go there and simply say make sure you subscribe for more. Get so you can also click and just goes and just say maybe thank you, blah 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 blah. So that's it, my friends. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Love you all. Thank you.